So you hook the battery cable back in and you turned what? This?
Yeah, the negative. And then turn on the fuel valve. And make sure it's in neutral. Just like that.
Wow, that sounds better.
It still runs a little rough once it gets hot. I don't know why. It's not like the fuel line is really getting any heat because its fuel line went back here. And it's getting a little bit of heat, but not much. So it shouldn't be percolating. But at least it don't stall out whenever you let off the throttle now.
What's it sound like when you press on the throttle?
Well, use the hand throttle. Fourth gear doesn't seem to work. I don't know if the clutch is slipping a lot or what. But of work make me one. This right here. This is supposed to come out over here like this and then back down, and it broke off. Somebody welded it on and the welds are cracked out. So I need to get that fixed. Bad.
We're gonna have a house and a septic system and all sorts of things really soon because of this baby. Stay tuned.